Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure profitability with Fidelity easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, create a Fidelity account if you haven't already. Visit the Fidelity website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual brokerage account or a retirement account. Review and accept Fidelity's terms and conditions to proceed. Once your account is set up, log in to your Fidelity account dashboard. Next, explore Fidelity's investment options by clicking on the Research tab. Utilize the stock screeners to identify profitable investment opportunities. Analyze company fundamentals by reviewing earnings reports, balance sheets, and market trends. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in ETFs or mutual funds. To execute a trade, navigate to the Trade section of your account. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock or fund you wish to buy. Choose the number of shares or amount you want to invest. Review the order type, such as market order or limit order, before proceeding. Confirm your purchase to finalize the transaction. Monitor your investments regularly by checking your account and market news. Utilize Fidelity's educational resources to enhance your investment knowledge. Set realistic profit goals for your investments to gauge performance. Reassess your portfolio periodically to ensure it stays aligned with your financial objectives. Remember to keep an eye on fees and commissions that may affect your profitability. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. By following these steps, you can work towards securing profitability with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.